Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto UK. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of the Trekker camper tricycle, an ingenious piece of engineering that combines the freedom of cycling with the comfort of a camper. This vehicle is an absolute game-changer for those who seek to experience the open road while enjoying the convenience of a compact home. The Trekker camper tricycle is a revolutionary blend of camping and cycling. It's the perfect solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures but don't want to sacrifice comfort or portability. Unlike traditional RVs, which are large, cumbersome, and difficult to maneuver, this tricycle offers a streamlined, environmentally friendly alternative that allows you to access remote locations with ease. It's the ultimate choice for solo travelers, couples, or anyone looking to break away from the traditional way of camping. Let's begin by discussing the structure and design of this incredible tricycle. At first glance, it's clear that the Trekker camper tricycle isn't just your average bike. It has been thoughtfully designed with a lightweight frame, ensuring that it can be pedaled easily, but with all the necessary features that make it a camper. The tricycle consists of a three-wheel setup, which adds extra stability, allowing riders to enjoy a safer and more comfortable ride, especially on uneven terrain. With its sturdy design, it can handle a wide variety of environments, from city streets to rugged mountain paths. One of the standout features of the Trekker camper tricycle is the fully integrated camper cabin that sits at the back of the tricycle. The camper area is surprisingly spacious, with enough room to sleep comfortably, store gear, and even cook if necessary. The camper is designed with compact living in mind. It has foldable features that allow it to expand or retract based on the space you need. For those who love to cook while on the road, there's even a small cooking setup available, making it an ideal choice for extended stays in the wild. Now, let's talk about the power behind the Trekker camper tricycle. While many camper vehicles rely on large engines and fuel, this tricycle is eco-friendly, running entirely on human power. It's pedal-driven, which means that as you ride, you're not just getting from point A to point B, you're also benefiting from a workout along the way. The bike's gears allow you to adjust the level of effort depending on your route, whether you're cruising along a flat road or navigating steep hills. For those who need an extra boost, some versions of the Trekker camper tricycle come with an electric assist option. This is perfect for when you need a bit more power to climb hills or for when you're navigating longer distances. The combination of manual pedaling and electric assistance makes it a versatile vehicle that accommodates a wide range of fitness levels and preferences. The overall look of the Trekker camper tricycle is sleek and modern. Its design focuses on simplicity, with clean lines and a functional layout that gives it an appealing aesthetic. The materials used in construction are lightweight but durable, ensuring that the tricycle can withstand the rigors of travel while remaining easy to handle. Whether you're cruising through the countryside or exploring remote forests, you can count on this tricycle to stand up to the challenge. What truly makes the Trekker camper tricycle stand out, however, is the sense of freedom and adventure it provides. Unlike traditional campers or RVs, this tricycle encourages you to get back to basics and enjoy the journey at your own pace. It's an invitation to slow down, explore, and really connect with the environment around you. Imagine cycling through winding mountain paths, taking in the breathtaking scenery, and stopping at scenic viewpoints all while knowing that your comfortable home is always with you. Another advantage of the Trekker camper tricycle is the ability to avoid the stress of setting up a traditional campsite. There's no need to pitch tents, find a flat spot to sleep, or haul heavy camping gear. The tricycle allows you to go where traditional vehicles can't reach, whether that's a secluded hilltop or a hidden lakeside. The ease and convenience of this setup make it an ideal option for those who want to go off-grid without all the hassle of traditional camping. For anyone concerned about storage space, the Trekker camper tricycle has got you covered. The camper area has ample storage options, including built-in compartments for clothes, food, and other essentials. There are also racks for carrying extra gear, such as tents, sleeping bags, or even a bicycle for off-road adventures. This makes the tricycle a great choice for extended trips, where you need to carry multiple items but don't want the bulk of a traditional vehicle. Now, let's dive into the practical aspects of owning a trekker camper tricycle. First off, it's important to note that this vehicle is road legal in the UK and many other countries, though you should always check the local regulations before setting off. The tricycle has the necessary features for road safety, including lights, reflectors, and a horn, which ensures that it meets the requirements for road use. As with any vehicle, regular maintenance is key to keeping it in top condition. Ensuring that the tires are properly inflated, the gears are functioning smoothly, and the camper area is clean and organized will help to extend the life of your tricycle. One of the most appealing aspects of the trekker camper tricycle is its sustainability. By opting for a pedal-powered vehicle, you're reducing your carbon footprint and minimizing your environmental impact. This eco-friendly option is perfect for those who are looking to embrace a greener lifestyle while still enjoying the thrill of camping. Additionally, since the vehicle relies on human power or electric assist, you don't have to worry about the high costs associated with fuel and maintenance that come with traditional motorized campers. The trekker camper tricycle also fosters a sense of community among its users. With so many people seeking alternative ways to travel and explore, this unique vehicle has become part of a larger movement toward eco-friendly, minimalistic living. Whether you're part of a cycling group or simply meeting fellow travelers on the road, there's a camaraderie that comes with using a vehicle like the trekker camper tricycle. It's a conversation starter, a chance to share stories, and an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who are passionate about sustainable travel and outdoor adventures. Speaking of adventures, let's talk about the types of trips you can take with the trekker camper tricycle. The options are endless. You can take short weekend trips to nearby parks or embark on longer journeys across the country. The versatility of the tricycle means that you can adapt it to your needs, whether you're planning a relaxing retreat or a more challenging expedition. There's no shortage of routes to explore, from coastal roads to mountain trails, and with the trekker camper tricycle, you can reach some of the most remote and beautiful locations in the world. In terms of cost, the trekker camper tricycle offers a great value compared to traditional campers. While the initial investment might be higher than a standard bicycle, it's a fraction of the cost of a full-sized RV or camper van. This makes it an accessible option for those who want to explore the world of camping without breaking the bank. Additionally, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance make it a cost-effective choice in the long run. The trekker camper tricycle is more than just a vehicle, it's an invitation to experience the world in a whole new way. It combines the joy of cycling with the convenience of camping, offering a compact, eco-friendly solution for travelers who want to explore the world without leaving comfort behind. Whether you're an avid cyclist or a seasoned camper, this innovative tricycle is the perfect companion for your next adventure. So, if you're looking to embrace the great outdoors and experience life on the road like never before, the trekker camper tricycle is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below to share your thoughts on this unique vehicle. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.